This is Vin.
Me Vin.
I'm his dad, and this is his garden.
Me Dada.
These are our adventures. Okay, today it is a little bit windy, but we're going to give it a crack anyway. We've got a whole bunch of seeds we want to plant, so we're going to plant them.
Yeah.
It's going to be good. We're going to get them all planted so they can start growing. Vinny, are you excited to plant some seeds today?
Yeah.
So we got this cool seed tray. We're going to put some dirt in here. What should we plant first? What have you got there? Mizuna. And what's this one?
Yay!
Fancy lettuce.
Ta-da!
You want to plant some kale? How about Daddy open it? That's the good stuff. Perfect! And pop the scissors down. Can you poke your finger in there and make a hole? In here. There you go, look! Now push them down. Good work.
Push down or no?
Should we water them now, Vinny?
Yes.
We got all of those seeds planted. They're safe and sound in the garage. Yeah, over in the garage. And they are in a little bit of sun, but they're protected from the elements because they're still just wee babies, hey?
Baby babies in there.
Yeah, cool. So that's us for today.
Done.
Done. Say bye.
Done.
Okay. We're gonna have some kale. A lot of kale. Thanks for watching.